In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflow in Salesforce. To get started, make sure you're logged into Salesforce with System Administrator permissions. That access is important because only admins can create and manage workflow rules. Once you're in, click the gear icon in the upper right and open Setup. This takes you to the administrative console, where all automation tools live. In the Quick Find search box, type Workflow Rules. From the results, choose Workflow Rules under the Process Automation section. This page lists any existing rules and is where you'll create new ones. Click New Rule to begin. First, choose the object the rule will apply to, such as Opportunity, Lead, Case, or Contact. This tells Salesforce which records to evaluate. After selecting the object, click. Next, to move into the rule details. Give your rule a clear name and description so others understand its purpose later. Next, choose the evaluation criteria, which controls when Salesforce checks the rule. Created means the rule runs only when a new record is created. Created, and every time it's edited, runs on both new records and any updates. Created, and any time it's edited to subsequently meet criteria is more precise. It triggers when a record transitions into meeting your conditions after a change, rather than on every edit. Now define the rule criteria. You can pick criteria are met to use field filters, like a specific stage equals closed one, or owner equals a certain role. Alternatively, choose formula evaluates to true if you prefer a formula that returns true. For example, you might use opportunity amount $500,000 to target large deals. Formulas are powerful when you need multiple conditions or functions, but make sure they resolve to a true or false outcome. With the criteria set, decide what should happen when the rule fires. Under Immediate Workflow Actions, click Add Workflow Action. You can send a new email alert using a template to notify users or customers, create a new task to assign follow-up work automatically, perform a new field update to change a value on the record, or send a new outbound message to notify an external system via API. Choose the action that matches your business need, fill in the required details, like recipients for emails or the field to update, and click Save. That's the full flow for building a workflow rule. Choose the object, define when it should evaluate, set precise criteria, and attach the actions that should run instantly. Keep your names and descriptions clear and use formulas when you need flexibility.